Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Ruth and thank you for watching or clicking on this video. So today, as you can see from the title, is going to be an unboxing of the items that I bought here in Paris. In fact, I just did an unboxing of the items that I bought from Germany, which I'm gonna link down below, or maybe I'll put it here. So do check that out as well if you're into unboxings, because I have two other things that I bought that I unboxed in that video. So let's go ahead with the items that I bought here in Paris. I was originally gonna do the video right by our balcony, but it's against the light, so we're gonna stick to this background over here, which is actually pretty cute. We're staying in this hotel which has this cute Parisian vibe, so our room is very Parisian, I could say. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead with the unboxing. These are just two simple items really. So I'll start with the smallest item that I have over here. This is from Goyard, and maybe I'll unbox this before I tell you the story about the item. So let's open it up. Okay. It's in this beautiful, vibrant green box with yellow ribbon. Let's open this up, and it comes in this box. What is this? Okay, it's just like a small booklet that has some information about Goyard. So let's keep that inside. And the item is so cute. This is a small wallet, a zip wallet. I don't know what it's called in Goyard, but in the receipt it was written Petit Maronoque. I don't know. I don't speak French, but it just simply means like small pouch or small wallet. So I'll show you how it looks like inside. It has this paper wrapping and also a tag. Let's see if it's, yep, a tag over here. It says made in France, coated textile calfskin leather textile lining. And this is the wallet. I think it is so pretty. This is in the classic black color, but I got the one with a tan lining. They have the all black with the black lining as well, but I wanted to get something with a tan lining just because it's easier to find items in my bag. Usually my bags are like have a black interior, so it's harder to find some items. So I got this one just so it's not really all black. And inside is this beautiful vibrant yellow color. It also has a pocket over here where you can put some cards in. And yeah, I love the vibrant yellow. And the yellow is actually textile. This one over here, it's leather. So yeah, it's a tan leather, and it just says Goyard Paris, made in France. Let me see if I can show it. Also, the zipper has the Goyard logo. A story about this wallet. I originally went into the Goyard store in Breton's department store to look at the bags that they have. I was originally looking at the Artois, but they only have the smaller size available, which is the PM size, and I think it was too small for my liking. They don't carry the bigger size, they said, in their store. I think they carry the bigger size in the other Goyard store, which is in Saint Honoré, but I'm not gonna, or I don't have time to really go there, and I wasn't really interested in searching for it because when I saw the bag in the smaller size, it kind of underwhelmed me. I also looked at the St. Louis, but the St. Louis is just a big open tote. It doesn't have any zipper, and the canvas is a little bit, I don't know, it feels lighter, and it doesn't feel as durable as the Artois. So the St. Louis was definitely a no for me. The Artois is a thicker material. It has like a leather feet, and also it's more structured, because for the St. Louis, when you sit the bag down, it like crumbles, or it just flaps down like that. But with the Artois, it has a structured material, so it just stands on its own. So instead, I got a wallet because I still wanted to try out the designer, or I mean, I still want to try out Goyard as a brand. So I think this would be a good starting piece. Maybe later on, who knows, maybe I'd get a Goyard bag if I'm happy with this item. Maybe I'll eventually buy a bag also when I see the bigger Artois. Maybe I will like that. So we'll never know. We'll see in the future. But for now, I'm gonna try this item out. I also chose a wallet because I was originally looking at the Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire, but that one is sold out everywhere. I've been looking for it for I think 2 years now. Every time I travel to Europe, I always ask Louis Vuitton, but they say it's always sold out. So I've actually lost hope. So instead, I bought this one because I really find myself looking for such a wallet whenever I'm traveling. I want a big wallet that I can put some cash in, some coins, also maybe a sanitizer, some lipstick, and yeah. I tried putting on my sanitizer and 2 lipsticks over here, and it fits pretty good. So yes, I'm so happy about this item, and we'll see how this goes. So for the price, for the mini pochette, it was actually only 210 euros, which is a lot cheaper than this one. This one is surprisingly 100 euros more. This is 310 euros, which at first it was really hard for me to make a decision, just because I really like the Louis Vuitton more, but because I cannot find it anywhere, I decided to get this one, even though it's a little bit more expensive. But anyhow, my thought process was, at least I get to try out the brand, and also I've always loved the Goyard print, so this is a good good addition to my collection, since I already have a Louis Vuitton canvas bag. Okay. Alright, so let's open this one up. For the Prada bags, they don't come in boxes. I asked them if they have a box, but that's what they told me. But anyhow, it came in a dust bag. Okay, it's such a tiny, cute bag, and I've been looking for this all over. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and when I also went to Germany, I've asked the Prada there and they don't have it. But luckily here in Paris, I think they're the only ones who are selling this edition of Prada bag. So let me show to you. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. I've always had this on my radar. Originally, I was actually looking at the Dior saddle bag. I really love that bag. At first, I hated that bag, but eventually I really loved it. Especially when I was in Munich. I tried that bag on and I was in love. However, I can't really bring myself to buy the bag, knowing it's such a trendy bag and I don't know how long it will last. So I didn't really want to put in a lot of money in something that might just be for maybe 2-3 years or so, and again, it will be a dying trend. So I didn't want to invest or put my money into that. But this one is kind of similar, because it has the look of, you know, this vibe wherein it's a shorter strap close to where the bag is closer to your armpit. I was also looking at the Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire NM, but that one is also sold out. So seems like everything that I was looking for was not available, but I'm so glad that I found this. This is 890 euros. It's a little bit more because you have this chain strap. This strap is actually like aged silver. I'm not sure it's gonna show in the camera as how it is in real life, but this chain is aged silver, but the silver in this and on this, as well as the zipper, are shiny silver. And also the zipper over here is also shiny silver. So I like the contrast that this is aged silver. It's kind of odd, but I like it. The material of the bag is not leather, it's a nylon material, which my husband thinks it's quite cheap and expensive for the material, but I think it makes it a little bit more casual. All my bags are leather or just one Louis Vuitton canvas, so this is a good addition because it's not leather, it's nylon. It makes it a little bit more casual. So yeah, other than this chain that it comes with, what sold me into getting this bag than the other one, which is cheaper, is that it comes with an extra strap. It came also in the Prada dust bag. And it's all wrapped up. It came with this very trendy guitar strap, which is very thick. It also says Prada on the strap, and also it comes with this cute little pouch that you can put some coins or your keys in it. This is kind of similar to the Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire, the 3-piece set that they have. Yeah, it's kind of similar to it, but this is a little bit cheaper than the Louis Vuitton. Also, the Louis Vuitton is 3 pieces in one, which is actually a good price. But yeah, I like this more because it's all black. And also, I think I'm not gonna be wearing the bag with this coin purse dangling. I don't know, it's just too much for me, I think, or it's too trendy for me. I'm usually a classic girl, so I might use them together, like put 2 straps together and wear it like that. But most of the time, if I want it dressy, I'll keep it like this, or if I want it casual, I'll change this strap and put this strap on, which is so cute. I'm gonna add some modeling shots of me wearing this bag because it's just so cute and I cannot get over it. So yeah, I'm so excited to wear this bag. So inside the bag, there is this Prada care booklet and also the authenticity card. So it's like this, and it has the date of when I bought it as well as the article number and so on. Cloth that they use inside is embossed with Prada all over, and also it has this like let's see, it's not focusing, there you go. And it also has a silver tag inside, and yeah, it's just one big open compartment. There's no side pockets or anything. So yeah, that is the bag. So this coin purse that it comes with is really small. As you can see, this is my hand, and it's really tiny. It's all in silver, shiny silver. And inside, it's the same material as the bag. It's also this cloth that says Prada all over, and it says Prada made in Italy, and at the back it's just plain. And yeah, so it's so cute. So I think I'm gonna put this in my bag whenever I'm carrying coins and such, or maybe I'll use it as a key pouch. And yeah, I can maybe also hook in my keys here. And yeah, I don't know, we'll see how I'm gonna use this. What I also like about this bag is that even though it's so small, you can actually fit a lot. Compared to my Chanel wallet on chain, that one I can fit so much lesser than what I can fit in this bag. As you can see, I've put in the Goyard wallet, my phone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and another wallet from Louis Vuitton. And see, I still have a lot of space to spare right over here and on the side. Okay, so these are the items that I got here in Paris. I'm so excited to wear and use these items. So yeah, that is the unboxing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video right here. If you want to see how I style these items, please do follow me on my Instagram. That's usually where I post my outfit photos. And yeah, I think that's all for today. So I hope to see you in my next video. Have an awesome and beautiful day.